Hi all, welcome back again. Eid Mubarak to all of you. I hope all are doing good. After 2 years, we all celebrated this Eid very joyfully. Due to pandemic, these 2 years no one met each other. Due to Corona, a lot of people lost their lives. Peace be upon them. Almighty gives strength to for those families to move on. And I hope you all celebrated this Eid happily. All prayers and charity will agree by Almighty. May the Almighty bless you and your family with joy, togetherness, success, and happiness. Amen. This video is about 2 days on Eid and the day before Eid. In this, I am going to show some recipes. I hope you all like it. Keep watching. And please do subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for quick notifications. On Eid night, I prepared good brain fry, dal, and paratha. In Saudi, we all stay active at night usually. So I prepared food before Fajr prayer. Cleaning was done by 11 pm, so I took rest for an hour. Then I started cooking. Here I already prepared dal. Now moving to goat brain fry, heat 4 tablespoon oil in a pan. In this goes 2 medium sized chopped onion along with 3 slitted green chilies and some salt. Saute it for 2 minutes. Once the onion has become soft and translucent, add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Fry for 1 minute. Then to this goes half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Fry it for 30 seconds. To this goes goat brain. Here I have taken 4 brains. Mix it gently and add some salt. Mix and cover with lid. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes in low to medium flame and mix in between. Meanwhile, here I am boiling milk for sheer khurma. This is my new pan. I didn't remove sticker. I forgot to remove. If you want to remove the sticker of the pan, then you heat the pan or vessel first. Then you can easily peel off the label like this. After this, wash as usual. After 8 to 10 minutes, once mix it. Then add 1/4 teaspoon garam masala and chopped coriander leaves. Mix and switch off the flame. It's done now. After cooking, we all are ready for Eid prayer. Here we are moving to Eid namaz. Really, it is a very special day for all Muslims. This is the blessing day for all.
وعلى آله وأصحابه والتابعين لهم بإحسان إلى يوم الدين. أما بعد فاتقوا الله تعالى وأطيعوه فإنكم صمتم شهركم وقمتم ليلكم.
After coming home, we had our breakfast with sheer khurma, then we slept off. This clip was taken in evening. On Eid, our dearest family friend invited us for dinner. Like this, we celebrated our Eid. Actually, I didn't take videos on Eid because the day before Eid we distributed iftar. Got so tired as I had to stand for a long time in kitchen for making dishes and cleaning home. This is the clip of the day before Eid. Here I am preparing iftar for distribution. Here I am preparing Nizami chicken dum biryani. For this I fried the onions. Now wash the chicken by adding some salt. This is 3 kg chicken. I took a vessel which I use for frying onions. In this already leftover oil is there, so no need to add more. In this goes 3 teaspoons sajira, 3½ teaspoons ginger garlic paste, fried onions, 4 teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste, 4 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 3 teaspoon biryani masala, add 3 to 4 cinnamon sticks, 10 to 12 cardamom, 10 to 12 cloves, squeeze 3 lemons, half kg curd. Finally add chopped coriander and mint leaves. Mix well and keep in refrigerator until use. In snack I prepared Masala Chana Chaat. For this I took 4 cups of chana, it's also known as chickpeas. Wash couple of times and soak it for 4 to 5 hours. I transfer it into a big vessel. I also prepared Vadas with lobia, means black eyed peas. For this I soaked 2 cups lobia for 1 to 2 hours. Chop 8 to 10 green chili and 6 to 7 cloves. Add it into the jar along with some cumin seeds and salt. Then add little water. Now add soaked black eyed peas and make paste. After grinding, into this goes 1 medium sized finely chopped onions and handful of chopped coriander leaves. Mix well. Add salt if needed. Mix once. Then add 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 tablespoon corn flour. Mix very well and keep aside till use. In dessert, I am preparing fruits custard. First I am preparing custard mix for this dessert. Using 2 liter milk in a pot, let it boil. Take 6 tablespoon custard powder in a bowl. Take little saffron and add 2 tablespoon of milk into this. Then add remaining milk into custard powder. Mix it well. Just when the milk reaches boiling point, Add saffron milk and mix once. Then gradually add the custard mix and keep stirring or else there will be lumps forming. Make sure flame should be low medium. Keep stirring till it becomes thick. When it starts bubbling, then add half tin condensed milk, mix well and switch off the flame. Custard is ready now, let it cool. After cools, then it keep in refrigerator for chill. After 4 hours, add chickpeas into pressure cooker by adding some salt and enough water. I took 10 green chili and 7 to 8 garlic cloves in a jar and give 2 to 3 pulses. Heat 4 to 5 tablespoon oil in a pan. Splatter some mustard seeds and cumin seeds. In this goes 2 medium-sized chopped onions along with some salt. Saute it for 1 minute. Add few curry leaves, fry for 30 seconds. Time to add grinded chili and garlic paste. Fry for 2 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, mix well. Add boiled chana, mix very well. Add some salt. Finally add coriander leaves, mix and switch off the flame. And add 1 lemon juice, give a good mix and cover with lid. Now it's done. Now let's start making the vadas. Take a little bit of the batter, just roll it. Keep on the surface, press it gently and give a good shape. Heat the oil in a kadai for deep fry. Once oil is hot, gently drop the vadas. Deep fry the vadas till they are nice and golden brown color. Make sure you deep fry them on medium-low flame. Once the vadas turned into a nice golden brown color, remove them from hot oil and keep it aside. Here for fruit custard, I chopped 2 bananas, 2 apples, 2 mangoes and some almonds. Add chopped fruits and almonds into custard mix and mix very well. Then again it goes into refrigerator. Now going to make biryani rice. For this I took 2 vessels. For 3 kg chicken I took 3 kg rice. Add enough water in vessels. In this goes shajira, clove, cardamom, star anise, cinnamon and salt. Bring it to boil. Now add soaked basmati rice into the boiling water. Transferring the marinated chicken into the big vessel. Here my friend came to help me. Till now I didn't cook this much amount of biryani at a time. So I am getting tension that how it cooks. That's why I asked her to come. Now add the rice on the chicken. Finally add ghee, food color, fried onions, mint and coriander leaves. Cover with damp cloth, then close the lid. Cook on high flame for 15 minutes, then low flame on 15 minutes. Now all iftari was done on time. Let's start packing now. Really my friend helped in packing also. Really I am very thankful to her. Once we finished packing, then my husband went to give iftari to the person who are fasting. That's it for today's video. I hope you all liked the video. Thank you. We'll see you in next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Once again, happy Ramadan to all.